Alright guys, welcome to my vlog. This is how you change your cabin air filter in minutes. So you have this cabin air filter for Toyota Fortuner 2019, and just open the package and it should say which orientation you need to put it in. So right there, up. Okay, first step is that's the first step. Second step is open your glove compartment and see the lock over there. Just twist it and pull. Same goes on the other side. Twist and pull, and then try to hold on to it, and then this one, just pull it out like so, and then you're good to go. Okay, there you go. And now locate the air filter housing, which is this one. Pull on the tabs, pull out the cover, and pull out the old filter right there. So this is the old filter. This has been installed last June 29, 2020, and put in the new filter. So orientation is up, this side up. Just insert it in and you're good to go, just like that. And then put the cover back in, and that's it. All you have to do is remove this old sticker. Okay, these are the retaining clips. Put the glove compartment back, twist the counterclockwise. Same goes on this side. This one clockwise, and then this one. Snap it back in. Just snap it back in. Okay, there you go. You're all set. And that's how you replace your cabin air filter for Toyota Fortuner. Thank you for watching.